Hey everybody, welcome back to Living in the Black Hills. This is Jana with Christian's Team Row Broker. Today we're checking out 13018 Pleasant Valley Drive. This one is 10.91 acres, over 3,000 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, with a huge den, attached garage, and 2 shops. Let's check it out. Start out with our attached 2-car garage, finished and insulated. This leads into the beautiful den, wide open, lots of windows, natural light. We've also got a gas fireplace over in the corner. An amazing little storage closet here. So this one's also got really high ceilings with the recessed lighting, ceiling fans. Now upstairs from the den leads right into the laundry room. Got your furnace and your electric panel right in here. From here, we've got one of the 3 bedrooms, also including a ceiling fan. And through this window, you can see the little pond that is a part of this property. Awesome feature up here in the Black Hills. There's a closet. All right, from here, we'll go to the master bedroom, the walk-in closet, huge bedroom here again, several windows, lots of natural light coming in. Oh, and wildlife, there's deer running around right now. Okay, and right into the master bath with a double vanity, a water closet, a tub, and a walk-in shower. Quite nice sized bathroom here. Another ceiling fan. Here's the 3rd bedroom. Closet and more natural light with a nice big window. Beautiful Black Hills views out every direction in this one. Here is the 2nd full bathroom. And then this brings us out into the dining room, kitchen area, living room. It's all wide open. We've got built-in cabinets. Again, big windows, lots of natural light. Walk-through entryway here for a little breakfast nook. Sliding glass door out to the back deck. Out here, it's your wide open world to the beautiful Black Hills. Okay, here in the kitchen, again, wide open. It's been nicely refinished. Great pantry space. Got more living room space over here. Again, views. Okay, here's the second deck of the property. Down to the wooden walkway. And this leads us over to one of two shops on the property. This one is 30 by 60. Oh, we've got more wildlife, turkeys hanging out, enjoying the views. 30 by 60 shop, plenty of storage. Concrete floor in here with a little loft for additional storage, workbench. And there are RV hookups here off of this shop as well. You can see she's got her RV set up here on the pad, plugged in, ready to roll when you've got guests over. Now we'll make our way down to the second shop of the property, down where the turkeys like to hang out. This shop is 32 by 24 with a dirt floor. Here's the second shop of the property. This one is 32 by 24. This one's got a dirt floor. Extra space for storage. This is a wonderful wooded lot, great for privacy out here in the Black Hills. You can't see another home in sight. Nothing but beauty. Again, just under 11 acres up here. The privacy is unheard of in this area. It's pretty beautiful. It's got about a half-mile driveway. So it doesn't get more private than that. Guys, you've even got your own private pond here. This pond is 5 feet deep, and it is such a serene area to spend your evenings or your mornings. Thanks for tuning in. Again, Jana with Christian's Team Real Broker here on Living in the Black Hills. Remember to check us out because we do tours like these all the time, every week. So tune in for more.